Role Play 4. Discussion about study in classroom.
Muhammad is a student. One day he was going to university. His uncle, who is living near his house, sees him and talks with him as follows.
Muhammad, hey Muhammad, where are you going? Come here.
Hello, Uncle. I am going to Jamia.
Jamia? You mean you are going to Jamia Millia Islamia?
Yes, Uncle. I am going to Jamia Millia Islamia.
Cool, well, have you gotten admission there?
Yes, Uncle. I have been admitted to Jamia Millia this year.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I am very happy to know that you are studying at Jamia Millia.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
So, which course are you doing at Jamia?
I am doing graduation in Urdu.
Well, where are you coming from here? Do you not live in the hostel?
Yes, Uncle. I'm coming from my home, and I don't live in the hostel.
Why do you not live in the hostel? Is the hostel fee too high?
No, this is not the issue. Actually, there are not many rooms in the university, so only a few students live in the hostel.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Great. Are you studying well, aren't you?
Yes, I am studying well.
Well done, dear.
Thank you, Uncle.
Talking about the class and homeworks.
Okay, Muhammad. So where do you sit in the classroom?
Yes. I sit in the 4th row.
4th row? Why do you sit in the 4th row? I had heard that you used to sit in the 1st row.
Yes, Uncle. I used to sit in the 1st row itself, but this year I could not find a seat in the 1st row, so I have to sit in the 4th row.
Okay, no problem. Sit in the 4th row, but study hard. Okay, so what do you do when you don't understand something while studying in class?
When I don't understand something, I just tell my teacher respectfully, "Teacher, I could not understand it. Could you please explain this again?"
Very good, very good. Yes, do ask. Don't be shy. Okay, so what language do your teachers teach the students?
They teach us in Urdu, Hindi, and sometimes also in English.
Okay, so this is your first year, isn't it?
Yes, Uncle. This is my first year.
Very good. You are in your first year, but also you need to work hard. Study well and hard. Okay?
Yes, that's right. And I'm working hard to achieve my goal.
Well done, son. Well done. Okay, tell me one more thing, whether you read your lesson before going to school or not.
Yes, I read my lesson every day because it is very important.
Very good. I'm glad that you are studying hard, MashaAllah. Now tell me, when do you read your lessons? I mean after ASR, after Maghrib or after Isha?
I read my lessons after Maghrib and sometimes after Isha as well.
That's fine. But why do you not read after ASR?
Actually, I go to the field after ASR to play football.
Uncle, okay, that is also an important part of life. Okay, I want to know if you do not go to the library.
Yes, Uncle. Unfortunately, I do not go to the library.
Why? You must go to the library on a daily basis and study there.
Yes, Uncle, it is. But after ASR, I go to play, and I hardly find time to go to the library.
Okay, I understand, but you should go to the library once or twice a week.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you for your advice. I will definitely go to the library from now.
Very good, son. Very good. Study hard, and to make your family and your name famous. Okay, now you should go to the class. Perhaps you're getting late.
Yes, Uncle. Now I should go to the university to attend the classes. See you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Bye. Bye.